Monsoon mayhem continues to wreak havoc in the national capital for the second day straight. Thunderstorm with moderate to heavy intensity rainfall continues in Delhi. In fact, the capital will continue to get more rains today. Roads, residential areas, schools, hospitals, markets continue to remain inundated amid the rainfall, leading to traffic jams at many stretches. IMD has said that waterlogging in low-lying areas will be witnessed and rains will also reduce visibility. Partial damage to plantations and standing crops will also be seen. IMD has also suggested people to stay indoors and follow traffic advisories. Delhiites have also been asked to avoid staying in vulnerable structures. In fact, on Wednesday, Delhi received close to 90% of the average monthly rainfall in just a day's time. This is the highest rainfall in September for Delhi in last 19 years. All right, let me quickly cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us live for more. Anisha, take us through what's behind you. We do know that rains were expected for one day. It's somehow the second day straight and doesn't seem like the rains are going to subside anytime soon. We're looking at a few more hours as per the Met Department. Take us through exactly the details you see.
Well, Nabila, the Met Department in its warning yesterday, remember, had said orange alert yesterday, yellow alert for today and tomorrow. And according to the early morning warnings that they have sent out, there is probably going to be rainfall in Delhi for the next couple of hours yet. And I'm standing right now at the IIT Gate Kalu Sarai area, where you can see my cameraman Alok Das is going to show you exactly what the roads in Delhi currently look like. This is the main artery of Delhi from IIT Gate towards Gurgaon. And as you can see, traffic is moving only on one lane out of this 4-lane road. There is heavy waterlogging. There is a pump that has been put in for the last half an hour. It's been working, but you can see the amount of water that is there on the road. This entire stretch going towards Gurgaon, there are several similar spots. We've seen several similar waterlogging near Qutub at Lado Sarai as well. So anyone who's going towards Gurgaon, this visual should be a warning. That there will be a traffic jam, there will be waterlogging. Even in central Delhi, in some spots, there was waterlogging. East Delhi, West Delhi as well, there have been reports of waterlogging all across the city as the rainfall moves. And from what the Met Department has said, there is a thunderstorm that is moving across Delhi in the next 2 hours. The prediction is that there could be a rain for the next couple of hours, but there could be no rain after around 12 o'clock. But as the Met Department continues its predictions and its forecasts, we will keep updating. Back to you.
Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Now, the first day of September brought massive monsoon mayhem in the national capital, so much so that it broke the 19-year-old record. Delhiites were forced to maneuver through knee-deep water all through yesterday and today, it appears. Let's take a look at this ground report.
This man is not crossing a river. These vehicles are not stranded in a swollen water body. And this is not Mumbai. These are the flooded roads of the national capital. This is Delhi drowning. Hours of rain turned Delhi NCR into an island on Wednesday. Crucial underpasses waterlogged. Commuters stranded. Key roads, national highways submerged. And the Delhiites battling rain, apathy, wading through waist-deep water. Posh areas like ITO, Basant Vihar, and roads leading to airport witnessed massive flooding.
You can see that for meters there is no road can be seen under this waterlogged street. For meters, even the vehicles are moving in a single row because almost all the road is being occupied by the rainwater.
traffic movement on Minto Bridge near New Delhi railway station. The perennial flood zone was also closed due to waterlogging. Roads connecting Delhi to neighbouring Noida and Gurugram saw heavy flooding.
5 hours with 8 heavy-size booster pumps which have been installed here to evacuate water. But the stretch is more than 200, 300, and when there is water logged, at least 1.5 to 2 feet. Here the Delhi police has put up a barricade, and this is to ensure that no one passes through the manhole, and this could be really dangerous and risky. But the overflow, look at the pressure that is coming from the sewage.
While familiar deluge scenes unfolded like every year, questions were raised on Delhi government's monsoon preparedness. Delhi, which saw an orange alert, will be on yellow alert for rains for next 2 days. With Kumar Kunal and Ashutosh Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.